सो कैसा रहा आपका ईद सेलिब्रेशन लॉकडाउन के चलते? आई नो थोड़ा सा हर साल की तरह नहीं होगा, लेकिन हमें
Yes.
बताइए।
Yes, it was not exactly the same how we celebrate Eid, but yes, जितना भी हम घर में celebrate कर सकते थे अपनी सारी family ने मिलके, we had amazing food. We cooked
हम्म,
different dishes like sheer khurma, then chole, dahi bade, and I made mutton rogan josh. So
ओके।
yes, we all cooked, we all ate and so much, so much I ate that I can't tell you.
तो सारा, क्या आपने पहली बार कुक किया या फिर आप यूजुअली ईद के
No,
वक्त
no,
कुक करते हो?
I am a very good cook and I usually cook every time. So
व्हाट इज द बेस्ट रेसिपी या बेस्ट डिश दैट यू
I
कुक?
can cook anything
ओके,
and everything best. I'm a very good cook.
एंड जैसे कहते हैं कि हर कोई लॉकडाउन के वक्त या क्वारंटाइन है तो कुछ ना कुछ नया सीख रहा है। अगर सारा की बात करें तो उन्होंने क्या नया सीखा है इस लॉकडाउन में?
मैंने नया बहुत कुछ है, जैसे आई एम लर्निंग अरेबिक राइट नाउ फ्रॉम डुओलिंगो एंड आई एम लर्निंग अगेन, आई एम डूइंग द रियाज फॉर माय सिंगिंग एंड म्यूजिक में थोड़ा और ज़्यादा नॉलेज जितनी मैं गेन कर सकती हूँ उतना ट्राई कर रही हूँ जितना खुद से होता है। सो
जी।
यस, एंड देन थोड़ी बहुत घर पे प्रैक्टिस जिमनास्टिक्स की कर लेती हूँ। जो मेरी क्लासेस चल रही थी जिमनास्टिक्स की, नाउ आई कैन नॉट ऑब्वियसली गो टू द क्लासेस, बट घर पे जितना हो सकता है आई एम ट्राइंग टू डू दैट।
सारा, विदाई के बाद आपका एक नया रूप देखने के लिए हम सबको मिला थोड़े टाइम बाद। यू नो, यू वेंट अंडर दिस ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, जहाँ से आप एक सिंपल गर्ल नेक्स्ट डोर निकल कर आई एंड यू हैव वर्कड ऑन फिटनेस अ लॉट। तो
Yes.
व्हाट वाज इट अ कॉन्शियस डिसीजन कि यहाँ मुझे अपने आप पर थोड़ा ध्यान देना है?
Yes.
एंड व्हाई यू फेल्ट एक्चुअली आपको वो
Because
ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन
looking
क्यों
at
लगी?
our amazing divas, if you see, like I love Malaika Arora Khan, I love Shilpa Shetty, I love Jennifer Lopez, and I love the way they carry themselves. I love the way they work out, and obviously hard work works, and it shows. They really do so much hard work, and so मुझे भी ऐसा लगा I should also look good, and if every one of us can look absolutely stunning, सिर्फ हमारे दिमाग को एक बार सॉर्ट करना होता है कि हमें ये करना है। सो वंस इट कम्स इन योर माइंड दैट यस आई वांट टू डू दिस, देन यू आर गेम फॉर इट। सो यस, दिस वाज द थिंग।
And why you thought of working on yourself? Because TV में तो usually जो look आपका विदाई में था, that works a lot. People
तो बट मैं
would
विदाई की साधना ही मेरी रियल जिंदगी नहीं थी ना, मैं सारा
जी
खान हूँ, मैं एक कैरेक्टर प्ले कर रही थी। इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि मैं वो कैरेक्टर में ही जिंदा रहूंगी पूरी जिंदगी।
right.
सो ऑब्वियसली मैं सारा हूँ और दिस इज हाउ आई थिंक। सो उसमें कैसे क्या आया दिमाग में ये तो कहीं से बात ही नहीं होती। इट्स लाइक
नहीं, मेरा कहने का मतलब ये था, व्हाट आई वाज आस्किंग कि काफी एक्टर्स के लिए ये बहुत बड़ा सा चैलेंज भी होगा कि वो जो अपना स्क्रीन इमेज है उससे कुछ अलग दिखने की कोशिश
बहुत
करे उस टाइम पे जब आपने वो डिसीजन लिया था, क्योंकि वो काफी आपके लिए रिस्की भी हो सकता है, क्योंकि आप एक रोल कर रहे हो और आपको लोगों ने इतना पसंद किया उस रोल में।
बट उसका मतलब ये नहीं है ना कि मैं उसी रोल में जीती रहूंगी।
जी।
अगर लोग मुझे पसंद कर रहे हैं तो दे विल डेफिनेटली लाइक मी फॉर द वे आई एम एज अ ह्यूमन, नॉट एज अ कैरेक्टर। So yes, I actually did not think about whether मेरे transformation was not something कि मैंने कोई change कर लिया अपना face. I just started working out and I just started to concentrate on my fitness. That's all. That's all was my transformation. And I did my lip filler, which was a disaster and which was very bad and didn't suit me. मुझे खुद की अपनी शक्ल नहीं अच्छी लगती थी. I was just waiting कि वो कब खत्म हो. So it's over now. So yeah.
तो बट उस समय काफी लोगों ने थोड़ा बहुत लोगों ने क्रिटिसाइज भी किया, ट्रोल किया, तो हाउ डिड यू डील विद दैट फेज?
See, you are an actor, you're a public figure. There are good people, there are bad people too, and we all know that. Let's accept the fact that हर कोई आपको पॉजिटिवली नहीं सोच रहा होता है, देख रहा होता है। सबकी अपनी अपनी थॉट्स होती हैं और सब फ्री हैं सोचने के लिए। So you will not stop anybody. जिसको जो सोचना है वो सोचे। सो उसी तरह मैंने इसको लिया। एंड कुछ लोग होते हैं जो बहुत ही हार्श कमेंट्स लिखते हैं। सो पहले वो मुझे इफेक्ट करते थे, बट देन लेटर ऑन आई रियलाइज्ड कि हु आर दे एक्चुअली, जिनकी आप शक्ल भी नहीं देख रहे हो, जो कि फेक आईडीज बना के आपके कमेंट्स करते हैं आके, जिनमें खुद में इतनी हिम्मत नहीं होती कि वो अपनी शक्ल दिखा दें सामने आके, उन लोगों के बारे में आप सोच के अपने आप को क्यों इफेक्ट करोगे? सो लेट देम थिंक व्हाटएवर, डजंट मैटर। प्यार करने वाले इतने सारे हैं जो इतना प्यारा प्यारा लिखते हैं, जो इतने अच्छे अच्छी चीजें हम लोगों के लिए भेजते हैं, प्यार करते हैं, कमेंट्स लिखते हैं, पोर्ट्रेट्स बनाते हैं, सो वो मोर देन इनफ है, यू नो। सो दैट्स इट।
Manti Hasara wants to know, wanna see you and Shashank on screen again.
How sweet. So जाना ना दिल से दूर was my show on Star Plus which I did, जो कि थोड़े वक्त चला था, but Shashank and May, we were paired opposite each other and people really loved and appreciated it a lot. Though unfortunately the show was shut in a very less
short
period,
span
but
of time. हाँ.
yeah. But they really loved both of our chemistry, and हम लोग बहुत ही अच्छे friends भी हैं, मैं और शशांक. So for us to work together was super fun and people really loved it. So I wish कि वापस हमें कभी मौका मिले साथ काम करने का. कब मिलेगा मौका ये तो नहीं पता, but we wish that we get to work together.
Another question is unforgettable childhood memory.
Unforgettable childhood memory was when I got Bidai. I was in school during that time, and when I got this show from Bhopal itself. So yeah, that was the most amazing memory which I can never forget.
And how did you bag this role? Sara, just tell us about it.
I was in Bhopal and I won Miss Bhopal contest, and over there I had hoardings all over for endorsing few brands, and then my producer saw me and that's how he approached me and that's how I am.
So अब जब आप रीरन देख रहे होगे, कितनी यादें ताजा हो रही हैं, because Bidai was your first show.
Yes, a lot.
तो क्या कुछ ऐसा हमें बताइए जो उस टाइम का बहुत अमेजिंग रहा हो आपके लिए, जब आपने फर्स्ट अपना क्रेजी फैन फॉलोइंग देखा होगा, महसूस किया होगा वो शो के बाद, क्योंकि दैट वाज अ बिग शो.
वो सभी के लिए, फॉर एवरीबडी इट्स लाइक अ ड्रीम कम ट्रू कि अगर आपको इतना बड़ा शो मिल जाए किसी भी एक छोटे से शहर से आके. वेल, भोपाल इज नॉट अ छोटा शहर बट स्टिल मुंबई के आगे तो ऑब्वियसली एनी शहर इज छोटा. सो वहां से आके if you suddenly get so much attention, so much love, so much affection, everybody is just talking about you, wanting to meet you, wanting your autographs and stuff like that. So obviously this feeling is very mesmerizing and gets you butterflies in the stomach. So it was the same with me. And yeah, I loved the entire cast and everyone was so nice, so cooperative, so such great help for me to grow as a character in Bidai. So yeah, I miss all of those things and I miss everybody, especially Angad, Parul, Kinshuk. We four were thick best friends. We still are and we will be forever. And I miss Alok ji a lot because he was such a good teacher, because I had my first scene with him. And coming from a small town, straight standing in front of a legend who you have been watching since forever, and suddenly you have to act in front of him was a very big challenge for me. So, but he was so cooperative. He was such a nice guy that he taught me a lot of things, and which is helping me still. So, yes, I miss all those moments.
Which was your unforgettable scene from Jana Na Dil Se Dur? Someone is asking.
My
I'm
entry
sure there have
scene.
been many.
Yeah, many, but my entry scene, because I was coming back from Pakistan that time. I was working for my second show in Pakistan called Lekin. And when I landed here, I landed at 2 in the midnight, and then I had to straight come to the set at 3 a.m. in the morning. So it was a crazy thing, and I was like, I was all decked up as a dulhan. And my entry was like super fun. So, but yeah, I was so sleepy, but still I had to look fresh. And yeah, so that was memorable.
जब पाकिस्तानी शोज की बात करें तो कंटेंट वाइज दे आर वेरी एनरिचिंग एंड यू हैव बीन few of the fortunate actors who have got an opportunity to work there. So how was your experience working in Pakistan?
I had an amazing experience, and the way they make their shows. Firstly, I would like to say that हमारे Indian dramas वो लोग हमेशा से देखते आ रहे हैं. For Indian shows, they have been like religiously following all the shows. Like they know all the shows जो मुझे भी नहीं पता होते हैं वो उनको पता थे वहाँ पे, and they really love Indian TV. But when it comes to Pakistani shows, they make series. Whereas you finish your shoot in 45 to 50 days and they make some around 26 to 30 episodes. And then we shoot in real locations. There are no sets. जैसे हमारे सेट यहाँ पे बनते हैं, सेट नहीं होते हैं. वहाँ पे सारी रियल लोकेशंस होती हैं, रियल जगहें होती हैं. You shoot there. So it was quite an experience, and I loved the realistic art in the entire drama. That how realistic they make it. जो उनके जो high points होते हैं वो भी बहुत like it will not be like unbelievable. So it was very much fun, and I always wished and wanted to work in Pakistan, and I got the opportunity. So I feel lucky.
Okay, great. आप करियर हाई पे थे और जब विदाई आपने किया था काफी सारे things were going right for you. Do you regret doing Bigg Boss at an early stage of your career?
No, I don't regret doing Bigg Boss at all. I was young in terms of I did not know.
Yeah, that's why I'm asking.
That's what I'm telling you. So I did not regret on doing it on a very early stage, but I was very young during that time, and I did not know how to play the game. And I was like literally a kid. I did not see much of the world, and I did not know much about anything. In fact, मैंने कभी बिग बॉस भी नहीं देखा था before entering in Bigg Boss. सिर्फ सुना ही था उसके बारे में, क्योंकि हम डे नाइट विदाई शूट करते थे और उस टाइम पे watching any other show was completely next to impossible. So when I went there also, I did not know what to do. I was just doing anything and not even bothering. I was not even doing makeup in the Bigg Boss. I was just waking up and sitting like normal. So bachpan mein you do a lot of things. So it's okay. I don't regret over anything. I'm very happy. So whatever I have done in my past, maybe you can say mistakes, but you learn from your mistakes and you grow. So this is what I believe in, and this is what I'm still doing. I'm still learning, but I have learned a lot from my mistakes.
And what about singing? How did that happen to you?
Singing has always been a very important part of my life, and I always loved singing since my childhood. And I used to love writing also, and I used to write. But when I got this opportunity to be an actor at a very early stage, so there I was just concentrating on acting. But when I got a break in between, there I made a mashup. I sung a song, whereas people, all my favorite songs, I made a mashup of all the favorite songs, and then people really appreciated and loved that. You can sing so well. Why don't you make some good songs?
Yeah.
And make your original songs. Then I made Black Heart, and it was praised a lot. So then, this is how I love doing it. It's my passion. So I thought that I should not just sit back. I should just do it.
लॉकडाउन में भी आप कुछ ना कुछ कर रही हैं, तो उसके बारे में हमें बताइए. सिंगिंग
जी, मैंने अभी बताया, वो ही कर रही हूँ. शुक्रान आई एम डूइंग. माय नेक्स्ट सॉन्ग इज शुक्रान. छड़के ना जा इज गोइंग टू रिलीज वेरी सून. ट्रिप हो रही है इज माय अनदर सॉन्ग. आई हैव प्रोड्यूस्ड एंड रिटन माय सेल्फ अ शॉर्ट फिल्म कॉल्ड हुस्न हसन, व्हिच आई हैव शॉट इन Manali, that I will be releasing very soon. So these projects are there lined up, and I was preparing for my live concerts. So it was like a 3 hours non-stop dancing along with singing, power-packed performance, live concert, which we were preparing, but the lockdown की वजह से वो अभी रुक गया है. So once lockdown gets over, I will get to again do my rehearsals and practice, and we'll get ready to, inshallah, once everything gets fine, we'll start doing my live concerts.
As you said about विदाई कि आप लोग friends हैं अभी भी, and you guys will stay friends forever. अंगद के साथ हमें आपकी जबरदस्त केमिस्ट्री देखने के लिए मिली, ऑन स्क्रीन भी, ऑफ स्क्रीन
Yeah.
भी. You guys are such a good friends. Yeah. So how that chemistry built up, मतलब start कैसे हुई? और you know, I read
आप
somewhere
काम
कि आप दोनों
करते रहते हो साथ में तो obviously
नहीं, काफी बार co-stars don't get along also. There are so many stories
I
in the
don't know.
industry.
I have never faced a problem where I have never gelled with my co-actor.
Hmm.
So I have always had a very good experience with all my co-actors, and Angat was the best one because he is my mad friend like me. So since our madness is same, so we connect so well, and we love working with each other because time का पता ही नहीं लगता. So much fun to be together, so much fun to laugh. We keep cracking a lot of jokes on each other, making people laugh, and it's crazy. He's my first best friend in Mumbai.
And how did that transition happen, Sara, from doing a you know, typical सास बहू serial and then playing a vamp? वो transition कैसा रहा आपके लिए? कोई apprehension था that I have played a बहू and will the audience accept me in a negative role?
I don't.
Did you ever have
I
that
did not
thought?
play any negative role as such. I don't know which role
Cameos
exactly
वगैरह?
you're talking about.
Cameos
Yeah,
वगैरह, I'm
Sasral
saying.
Simarka, I played a Nagin character, which was again a grey shade. And in Kavach, I played Monjulika, which was again a grey shade. So it's a lot of, when you play a grey shade, you get a lot to perform. Sometimes you need to get out of the shell and discover yourself that what you're capable of.
Right.
So I really loved playing such characters, and I still do love playing such characters because you have so much freedom to, react anyhow, say whatever you want to say. You don't have to limit yourself in a certain this thing. So yeah.
And about your bikini pictures, जब भी आप you wear a bikini और वो आप Instagram पे डालते हो, बहुत सारे comments मिलते हैं आपको, and you know your look is appreciated. लेकिन वहाँ पर भी कुछ लोग troll करते हैं. So has that ever changed your mind कि you know इस तरीके के pictures should I post on social media? Because lot
See,
of
I don't care
artists
about I don't care about what others say again. I just care about my family, and I have stopped posting such pictures because my family doesn't really get happy by seeing such comments. So it doesn't affect me, doesn't affect my family. So I love my family and I want to keep them always happy. So I have stopped posting such pictures. In fact, when I was obviously playing a Bahu character, and then I was like, I also want to be hot. I also want to look hot. I will post this picture without thinking anything. I just started posting without any such thoughts. But it turned out negative, and that negativity doesn't really bother. But my family, if they, अगर मैं उनके चेहरे पे देखूंगी कि they are not really happy about it, so I will just stop doing something. So then I thought कि it's okay as it is. I am not a person who would, just sit in a bikini and just. I am a different kind of a person. I am sober. I'm not that कि मुझे इस तरह से I want to make my reputation or my this thing. So just I just stopped it, and since I stopped it, but still the negativity doesn't stop. ये लोग तो अगर आप बुरखे में भी पिक्चर डाल दो कि तो भी खड़े होके they will start trolling you.
Yes.
So इनका काम ही ये है करना. So they are useless, jobless, stupid people.
Yeah, it's better to ignore them.
Yeah.
Yeah. Talking about reality shows, any reality shows that जो अभी रह गया है और आपको ट्राई करना है? सारा
खतरों के खिलाड़ी मुझे ऑफर भी हुआ था, बट उस टाइम पे अगेन वो बिग बॉस के बाद हुआ था, तो वो डर के मारे मैंने नहीं किया. बट आई थिंक अगर अब मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है तो आई विल ट्राई अगेन, थिंक एंड ट्राई.
And do you follow Big Boss after being a part of it?
No,
you
I
don't
don't.
watch
I
it?
followed, I guess, that जिसमें वो जो बाबा जी आए थे ना, मैंने वो वाला फॉलो किया था.
10th season. 10th
हाँ.
season. Commoners versus.
Yes, the first Commoners वाला जो था वो बड़ा, तो वो उसके लिए मैं बड़ी excited थी कि ऐसा क्या नया होने वाला है. I want to watch, so I watched that.
Okay. Talking about your love life की अगर बात करें, there have been heartbreaks that you have, we all go through that, and like anyone, you were also gone
Yeah.
through it. So कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि you have closed door on love and you don't want to fall in love or belief
No,
खत्म
it's
हो गया है?
just नहीं ऐसा नहीं है. Believe, see, love is such a feeling. If you love is just I think it's a medicine for you, you know, to be happy. And love in terms of loving your friends, loving your surroundings, anybody. Love is just a medicine for you to be happy. So I
Right.
can never close door. And my nickname is Love. So I am love myself. How can I just say no to love? But yes, this is there that I have been unfortunate. Or I can say that those people who came in my life were a little unfortunate, who couldn't have me. But that doesn't mean that, you know, it's the end. I am sure my Prince Charming will be here soon and I will have a beautiful life.
Yeah, so he's waiting for you. He'll come on that white
Maybe
horse.
he is waiting for me or I'm waiting for him, however it is.
You are okay with it till the time, you know, he's
Till the time he
good-looking
arrives.
and he's yeah. Okay, Sara, before we wind up, one important question, as you must be knowing कि lockdown के वजह से काफी सारे actors financial crisis के through गुजर रहे हैं, and lot of them are coming ahead and also talking about कि कैसे producers are not paying them. And ये जो हमारा ये 90 days का जो grace period है payment का, वो change होना चाहिए clauses. As an actor and being part of the industry for more than a decade now, what do you feel?
See, I will just say a very honest thing, because since I produce myself and there are many actors जो कि अब producers भी बन चुके हैं, and they all know it very well कि you know क्या process होती है. So it's just not the producers who are doing wrong. It's the channel call. Channel से ही producers को अगर late payments आएंगी तो they can't, you know, afford to pay also. Another thing is that channel should change their terms and conditions and should pay the producers on time, so that the producers should pay the actors on time. It's a chain, it's a cycle. And अगर जिन producers को already payment मिल के भी रोक रहे हैं तो उनसे I will just say कि you know please do not do this with the actors, because for them it's just this. So you know this is their rosy roti. So I think they should respect all the actors and should pay them, because अब क्या हो गया है कि just because just to work in industry, anybody and everybody is ready to work even for free also. If you see the kind of chaos it is, that just काम करने के लिए अभी कितने लोग just ready हैं, we are ready to work. So उसमें जो बेचारे already established actors हैं उनके साथ you know it becomes very difficult for them to cope up, because वो हमेशा से अच्छा काम करते आ रहे हैं और suddenly अभी जो पूरा scenario है वो change हो चुका है. So I think that this is a chain and it should be the channel should really think about these things.